Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of more weak data out of China. But first, this is the week that the US Fed will issue its latest assessment, and all our eyes are on whether it will hike rates. It has signalled that a hike is on the table, although markets are very unsure whether it will be the upcoming meeting or a later one this year. We'll know early on Friday morning. The problem for the Fed is that if it really wants to hike, it has to account for a substantial lag time before its actions take effect. The longer it delays, the stronger its labour markets get, and wage rises are already pushing the upper end of its inflation goals. These seem odd things to note after nearly a decade of non-existent inflationary pressure. The Fed will be well aware that the past is no indication of what may happen in the future. The Chinese slowdown is one reason things may get delayed, however. Data out over the weekend showed that industrial production came in much lower than expected in August, even though it was marginally better than July. Investment levels also disappointed. Concerns about China are also core to the latest BIS assessment of the world's banking systems. And we'll have some important local news as well. On Wednesday, we get the results of the next dairy auction. Dairy future pricing suggests another positive improvement. The same day, the second quarter current account will be out. This does not move markets the way it used to, but a worsening trend is anticipated to minus 3.8 of GDP. And on Thursday, the economic growth number will be out for the June quarter. A year-on level of 3% is expected, somewhat better than most of our trading partners, except of course the US and China. In New York, US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark ended Friday lower at 2.19%. US benchmark oil price was also lower, now at $45 a barrel, and the Brent benchmark is at $48 a barrel. North American rig counts continue their fall, and some analysts are talking of a $20 oil price. The gold price is down as well, now at $1,104 an ounce. New Zealand dollar starts the week at its lowest overall level since December 2011, now at 63.2 US cents, 89.1 Aussie cents and 55.7 Euro cents. The TWI is at 67.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.